Well, if you are still relying on your DSLR or mirrorless camera's built-in microphone to capture your video's audio, your production value is taking a massive hit. But watch what happens when I switch over to this. Testing. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing. Testing 1 2 3. The difference is night and day. This is the Audio-Technica AT897, and by putting it overhead on a boom pole, we entirely eliminate room echo and bring professional depth to the voice. Because it utilizes a specialized line plus gradient design, it offers a highly narrow acceptance angle. This means it aggressively rejects distracting background noise from the sides and rear. It also has a built-in 80 Hz low-cut filter to slice out background HVAC or traffic rumbles. While it sounds pristine on 48-volt phantom power, it is uniquely great for mirrorless shooters because it can run completely off a single internal AA battery. You can adapt its XLR output straight into a 3.5mm camera jack without needing an external power mixer. If you want broadcast-ready, directional dialogue that matches your high-end video gear, the Audio-Technica AT897 is an absolute production workhorse.